Did you know that high-quality dubbing significantly expands the global reach of your content, enabling fresh viewers from around the world, myself included, to connect with your project? But did you also know that language choice is critical when you are trying to maximize your content's reach? Let's discover the many benefits of Italian dubbing and why it's one of the right languages for your content. If you have already released the content in English, then Italian is an excellent additional language. Italy has the third largest economy in Europe, and there are over 66 million Italian speakers worldwide. Expanding your audience to Italy and Italian speakers in Switzerland can dramatically increase your viewership. In 2022 alone, around $2.1 billion was spent on Italian language video advertising. This is why Italian dubbing isn't just a popular choice, it's a strategic investment with substantial returns. It gives advertisers the opportunity to target Italian-speaking regions by placing ads on your content. Italian dubbing has the power to dramatically increase your project's profits and views. But how successful can Italian dubbing be, and what sets it apart? WatchMojo, a popular YouTube channel that dubs its videos in multiple languages, has even seen some of its Italian dubs receive more views than the original version. The initial English version of this video received 199,000 views, but the Italian dub was even more popular, with 1.7 million views. The best part? WatchMojo didn't need to make more content to achieve an extra 854% of its viewership. It just dubbed the video it already had. But it's not just YouTube where Italian dubbing shines. Platforms like Netflix use localization to attract more viewers too. In fact, we checked between the 4th and 10th of March 2024 and found that 7 of the top 10 shows in Italy were non-Italian, highlighting just how high the demand for localized content is. Ultimately, if you are not targeting the Italian-speaking market with dubbed versions of your content, you're missing a trick. So, the potential of dubbing your videos in Italian is enormous when done right. Partnering with a trusted dubbing provider like Voquent is the key to unlocking these opportunities. Simply choose the option that works best for your requirements and budget, and they handle all the dubbing work. Or book a free channel review to learn more about their services, how to skyrocket your views, and the best languages for your content at voquent.com.